What's up, guys? Hope you are doing fine. And for your daily motorcycle hype, welcome back to Slice Bikes. So, today is a very special episode for me because it's been 1 year with the Aprilia RS457. I just fueled up some petrol because I was out on a ride and was running out of fuel. Just fueled it up and let's hop on it. Let's discuss, talk about my experiences in the past 1 year and some more things about the motorcycle. Safely get onto the road, and yep, day before yesterday I took my bike for its final service, done with all the free services, and the free service costed me about 3500 rupees, and they had to change a tensioner which was under the warranty, so that was done 3500 rupees without air filter change, just the oil change and labor cost costed me 3500. So my bike clocked about 5,977 kilometers. That is almost 6,000 kilometers. 1 year, 6,000 kilometers is not much, but yeah, I have my Honda CB300F as my daily rider. So this is mostly a Sunday ride, occasional outing. Sometimes when I have to go out and look flashy, look good, I take out the Aprilia RS457. Other than that, yeah, not much use. Sometimes when I want to take it out on the highway, take out this bike because it's any day more fun to ride than the CB300F, which is comparatively lower revving than this. So overall, my experience with the motorcycle has been, to sum it up in one word, I would say my experience with the bike was fun. Yep, it was really fun because I only rode it when the traffic was low, selectively chose my days when I had to ride it, turn up in a flashy way. That's when I had to take the RS457 out. So it was mostly fun, a nice bike to ride with friends, nice bike to take to parties, to pull up at parties and stuff like that. Yeah. Also, the punch in the bike, as you can see now, I'm in the eco mode and it's just gliding. It's just gliding. All you need to do is duck and you can see the numbers rise on your speedometer. The aerodynamics is so good on this bike. It just cuts through the air so well. All I'm doing is, ducking, and it picks on speed just like that. So yeah, the bike is really aerodynamic, really fun to ride, and it's the perfect size for me, I would say, because I'm 6'2", and my CB300F, the knees part feels a bit cramped, but this sits really well for me. I sit really well on the bike. The my knees don't feel too cramped, my legs don't feel too cramped on this bike. I sometimes get pain in my knees when after riding for too long on the CB300F, because the legs feel too cramped on this bike. But here on this bike, even though I'm 6'2" with long legs, I just sit perfectly. It feels perfect and not very uncomfortable. Yeah, of course it's a sports bike, so you're gonna have a committed position. So that's one compromise you have to make for performance. And as I just showed you, I just rested on the tank and the bike started gliding off. So stuff like that is what makes me love this bike. Forget the comfort part of it. Also the engine. The engine, I love it. I just love this engine because it sounds so good even in stock. I don't think I'm gonna ever, upgrade or change the exhaust on this. I'm never gonna put a, aftermarket exhaust on this because it sounds really good stock, man. Why would I wanna, mess around with the bike and, try to, get a better sound or better performance? It's enough, more than enough performance, more than enough punch. Just flick it into sports, drop a gear and it starts picking speed. as you can see, it's too much fun riding the Aprilia RS457. Loads of torque, loads of power, more than enough power for the highway, more than enough power for the city. I don't think you need more power than this, because you know you're just gonna have a bike with low mileage at the end of the day, and heavy bike sitting in the garage which high maintenance, because this goes 200, man. You can check out videos on my channel, shorts on my channel. I've touched 195, I think that was my top speed. If the roads were great, I could do 200 with ease. The bike goes 200 with ease, man. So 190 though, ease, it goes with ease. It just loves going to 190 all the time. As you can see, immense amount of power, immense amount of torque, super pickup, super sound. If you could get the engine note, the sound is so grumbly, so rumbly, so gnarly, so crazy sounding, and really gets me excited, really gets that adrenaline pumping for me. And mostly I ride this bike in eco mode because I like how it, you know, has that nice torque, and the throttle becomes slightly less responsive. It gives a good feel to glide around in the city. You know, you can just shift up. In fourth you can ride almost 30 to 35 kilometers per hour. Fifth you can go 40 kilometers per hour. That is really good, and it just goes without you know, stopping. The engine doesn't knock, nothing. So amazing gem of an engine, man. So I really loved it. I really had only good experiences with this motorcycle. Never had any sort of issues, never had really any sort of issues. Just some hardware issues, like, you know, this switch gets too hard sometimes and the light doesn't show up sometimes, which could be difficult because I don't know if it's working or no, if the light doesn't show up. Some small things here and there which can be fixed by Aprilia. To get that sorted, the bike is a complete perfect gem. And I also rode it only 6,000 kilometers in 1 year, so probably by next year you will have a proper ownership review, or in the next 6 months probably I'll do a 1.5 year review of the motorcycle. So probably it will show some more wear and tear. As of now, I really enjoyed my experience on the Aprilia RS457. I love the bike. I don't think of selling it anytime soon. It's the perfect sports bike for me as of now, when it comes to capacity, when it comes to sound, when it comes to power, when it comes to torque. So that's it for today, guys. Until my next video, take care and ride safe.